Have you ever thought of using AI to practice writing in your target language? Programs like ChatGPT or Gemini offer a dynamic and safe space to practice writing while receiving scaffolded feedback. Scaffolded feedback is step-by-step and adjustable based on your level of need. This could just be as simple as a space to think out loud, get minimal feedback like checking for general errors, or something more specific. Giving AI relevant context and specific instructions or prompts can get you the feedback you need. To get started, share your writing sample and tell the AI you want to have a conversation guiding you through getting scaffolded feedback. After integrating any insights that emerge from this interaction, you can then resubmit your edited draft and ask for minimal feedback. Asking for general feedback on things like grammar and spelling errors without the AI rewriting the work for you will help you make adjustments and internalize the insights without the AI making the corrections for you. After that, if any problems still persist, ask the AI to address or draw your attention to specific issues, like a couplet of sentences or a transition, or clarifying a connection between ideas. Then, make adjustments based on feedback and apply any trends to the rest of the work. If you are still unsure, ask the AI to give feedback related to words or phrases without actually making the corrections. Finally, ask for very specific corrections if still needed. Enjoy writing with this new feedback coach. And remember, the less specific the corrections, the more skillful you will become at editing your own writing.